Jake fumbled for his keys, exhausted after a long shift. Rain dripped from his jacket as he slid the key into the lock and turned it. Click. The door creaked open. He stepped inside and froze. This wasn't his house. The hallway was too long, the air too cold, the furniture wrong. His stomach twisted. He stepped back, heart hammering. Maybe he was just tired. Maybe... Footsteps. Upstairs. Slow. Heavy. Coming closer. Jake held his breath. The lights buzzed and flickered. Shadows stretched along the walls. Then, a voice. Right above him. "You're home late." Jake's blood ran cold. A shape appeared at the top of the stairs. Tall. Too tall. It moved wrong. Limbs bending in ways they shouldn't. Jake bolted for the door. Locked. He clawed at the knob, yanking, twisting. Footsteps rushed down the stairs. Jake turned just in time to see it, his own face staring back at him, grinning. It held up a key. "Wrong house," it whispered. The lights died. Jake's scream never made it out. Follow, subscribe, and share for more horror. Comment, what would you do if you unlocked the wrong door? Tag a friend who always loses their keys.